Okay, hello, this is Hamster Shack, and today Digger is being king of the castle on Gene while he's playing a video game. No one knows what he's trying to do, but while he was sat down on the chair, Digger climbed up his arm and he's trying to get on his head. You see, he's doing what he's famous for. He's burrowing inside Gene's shirt. Stay still, Gene. You have to stay still. Stay still. Okay. Let's just see what he does. Oh my god. He's in there. He's in there. He's down his back. Okay. He's there. Okay, I'm gonna get him out now. He looks a bit scared.
Oh, that was really
So let's see where he is. Come on, Dig Dig.
Is he stuck up my butt?
And there he is, after crawling down my little brother's back. I'm surprised he lived. He must have smelt.